Hello, hope you are doing good. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how to promote Cpagrip offers for free. Promoting CPA offers can be a very good way to make some money online. And Cpagrip is one of the most popular platforms to sign up on to find some of the most lucrative CPA offers. And by the way, CPA stands for cost per action. And this basically means that you'll be able to get paid for someone simply filling in their email address or by filling in their name, and that's it. So you don't have to worry about selling a product or anything like that, or this is even better than affiliate marketing, as with affiliate marketing you have to worry about promoting the product, also the customer going through and purchasing the product. With CPA offers, you don't have to worry about anything like that. So the first thing you will need to do is go onto Cpagrip. Once on Cpagrip, all you'll need to do is go up to the top right hand corner and tap on sign up, and from there you'll be able to create an account. Once you have created your account using your email address, which you can do for completely free, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And before going any further, I want you to pay attention to the public chat right here. And you can see that there are persons that are making $300 and more per day. And if I were to scroll down, you'll see other messages of persons making up to $10,000 per month. So there are a lot of persons that are using Cpagrip or overall CPA offers to make good money daily online. So all you will need to do, once you have signed up and you're on this dashboard, you're going to go over to the left hand menu option, and right where you see monetization tools, you'll simply tap right there, and from there all you'll need to do now is tap right where you see offer walls. So you're going to tap on offer walls. After you have tapped on offer walls, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll be able to choose from numerous CPA offers. But a lot of these CPA offers, it all depends on the location of the person. So depending on my offers, you'll be redirected to this page. And depending on the country you're in, you will see it in the top left-hand corner. And all you'll need to do is tap right where you see your country, for example, Jamaica right here. You can simply tap right there. And from there, if you were to promote an offer in a tier 1 country, for example, United States, Canada, or the United Kingdom, you'll be able to make even more money. So all you would need to do is type in the country. And as you can see right here, the payouts are a lot better compared to the payouts that you were seeing earlier. As for example, for this, if the person were to go through and fill in their email address, I'll be able to make $2. And all you'll need to do to sign up to an offer is simply tap on it. And as you can see right here, this is how it will look. Free samples. So all you will need to do is simply copy this track link right here. And once you have tapped on copy link and you promote it and a person were to click on it, you'll be able to get paid. Now that you know how to use Cpagrip and you know where to find offers, let's look on how to promote them. The first platform that I would recommend that you give a try is Pinterest. And the reason why I recommend Pinterest is the best on visual platforms. For example, like Pinterest or TikTok. And you can see an example right here of someone promoting a CPA offer. And also why I recommend Pinterest is because you can get a lot of organic traffic. As for example, if someone were to go onto Pinterest and tap on the search bar right here, and let's say they were to type in PayPal gift cards, as you can see that I did earlier. If you were promoting a PayPal gift card offer, like goes on your Pinterest page, and if they were to tap on your link, so let's say we were to tap on this link right here, would be redirected to their offer wall. And you can see that the person that created this Pinterest page also created a free website. And you can see numerous gift card offers. And all you'll have to do is tap on claim now. And if you were to tap on any one of these CPA offers and fill in the information, the person that created this Pinterest account would be able to get a commission. And to create a Google Sites website is quite straightforward. All you'll need to do is go onto Google Sites, and again, it is completely free. Once on Google Sites, all you'll need to do is tap on blank, and you'll be able to create a website, and you can use examples just like the one that I've shown you earlier to create different offers. Another reason why I recommend Pinterest is because of the amount of traffic that they get. For example, if I were to go onto SimilarWeb and put in Pinterest, and by the way, SimilarWeb is a platform that you can go on to get the analytics for any website. You can see that Pinterest is getting an estimated monthly visits of over 1 billion. And a lot of their visitors are coming from tier 1 countries, as you can see right here. Majority of their visits are coming from United States. So with Pinterest, you'll be able to promote your affiliate, or better yet, your Cpagrip offer for completely free. And another example that I would like you to look at is this page right here. This is the same person that is promoting this PayPal gift card. If you were to go onto their Pinterest page, as you can see right here, they are getting a monthly view of over 54,000, and they don't have a lot of followers. They only have 609 followers, and you can see an example of the type of pins that they are posting. So they tend to post motivational pins, and also if you were to scroll down, you can see the different CPA offers that they are promoting. So for example, if I were to tap on this offer right here, it would redirect me to this page. And again, this is another platform that you can create a free website on, and you can also see that this is another CPA offer. For example, if you were to tap right here and fill in the information, again, the creator of that Pinterest page would be able to get a commission. And again, to use this platform or to create a website just like this, it's quite easy. All you would need to do is go onto Brizy.io, and from there you could tap on Get Started Now for free, and all you'll need to do is sign up using your email address, and you can start creating a website just like this one, and you'll be able to promote your CPA offers and start making money. And you can see the different type of pins that they make right here. And again, to create the pins, you can create pins for free using Canva. All you'll need to do is go onto canva.com, and once on Canva, you can sign up using your email address, and after signing up, you will be redirected to this dashboard. And all you'll need to do, right where you see the search bar right here, you would simply tap right there, and you could type in Pinterest. So let me do that real quick. And the reason why I recommend Canva is, with Canva you will be able to edit different templates. So let's say I wanted to create a pin on Pinterest, and so let's say I wanted to create a pin on Canva. All I would have to do is tap right where you see Pinterest pin. Then I would be redirected to this page, and from here you can see numerous templates that you can edit. And with these templates, it makes it easy to create an eye-catching and beautiful pin, even if you're a complete beginner. So all you would have to do is tap on the template that you would like to use, and from there you can make some minor changes, and then you'll upload it onto Pinterest. And even if you don't know what to upload, you can use, for example, ChatGPT, and all you'll have to do is type in the idea that you have, and that ChatGPT will help you. So with the power of AI and with Canva and numerous free platforms, you can definitely start making some money with your Cpagrip offers. I hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe.